Great customer service isn't just about creating a delightful customer experience. It's also about providing fast, efficient resolutions and personalized service. In this demo, we'll show you how the ASAPP Customer Experience Platform automates the interaction with GenerativeAgent, an autonomous AI agent, to deliver the kind of personal service your customers crave. You'll see how it personalizes every step using customer data and context from prior interactions, how it smoothly transitions from chat to voice without losing continuity in the conversation, and how GenerativeAgent seeks guidance from a human advisor so it can continue resolving a customer's issue instead of transferring the call. This conversation started with a proactive message from the insurance company. Their app detected a possible accident.
Yeah, I'm okay. Somebody just tapped my bumper. There's someone stopped on the sidewalk watching, so I think there's a witness. Actually, I'm gonna go talk to the other driver right now.
GenerativeAgent offers some helpful advice about how to navigate the situation and stay safe. And unlike a human agent, it has no problem waiting to resume the conversation when the policyholder is ready.
Okay, I'm done talking with the other driver. They were very cooperative and admitted fault, thankfully. So how do I open the claim?
GenerativeAgent follows the insurance company's procedures to confirm the driver's identity, guide him through uploading photos, and starting the claim process. This isn't the first time this driver has filed a claim. Last time, he preferred a specific body shop and picked a mid-size rental with 2 child seats. GenerativeAgent draws on that history to deliver faster, more efficient service that requires less effort from the policyholder. It even offers to book the body shop appointment and rental car. It's the kind of personalized experience you might get from your longtime insurance agent or broker, and it's far beyond what customers expect from an AI agent. But the policyholder has somewhere to be. He needs to keep driving, even with a damaged bumper. He messages GenerativeAgent one last time, asking to continue the conversation by phone. GenerativeAgent calls and picks up the conversation where the chat left off. No context is lost.
Hi, this is Otto from Hudson Insurance. We were just texting about your claim and you asked me to call you. I noticed that the info you uploaded didn't include the contact info for the witness. Were you able to get it? Do you have any more questions about that?
Oh yeah, I did. I was just in a bit of a hurry, but I'll send it over later. I've got some pictures of the driver's license and insurance card, etc. I did have another question. Since the other driver was clearly at fault this time, am I gonna have to pay my deductible?
If the other driver is clearly at fault and their insurance accepts responsibility, then you typically won't have to pay your deductible. Their insurer would cover the damage. However, if we need to start the repair process through your policy first, for example, while we're still waiting on their insurer's confirmation, your deductible might apply initially. Once the other driver's fault is confirmed and their insurance pays, we'll refund your deductible. Is there anything else I can answer about your claim?
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Also, the bumper on my car has sensors, and the last time the bumper was damaged, getting approval to calibrate the sensor took a long time. It's kind of a pain. Is there anything you can do to make the process easier for me this time?
Let me check that for you.
The policyholder is requesting help. It's not part of the standard process. Instead of transferring to a human agent, GenerativeAgent starts a messaging conversation with the human advisor to ask for help. This is ASAPP's unique human-in-the-loop agent capability. It plugs into the desktop your customer service team uses every day. The human advisor sees a short question describing what's needed, summary, and access to the full conversation. Additional customer data can also be part of the screen pop so that the human advisor has the context they need to make a quick decision. Once the GenerativeAgent has the guidance it needs, it resumes the conversation with the policyholder. And if the same situation ever arises again, GenerativeAgent will remember to ask about the bumper calibration in advance.
Pre-approval for your sensor calibration has already been granted and noted in your case file, so the process should be much smoother this time. Would you like more details, or do you have any other questions?
No, that's perfect, thank you. I think I'm all set for today. I'll just follow up later with those additional details.
This was a stressful situation for the policyholder, but GenerativeAgent made it easy to file a claim, schedule service and a rental, and get answers about the claim process. The policyholder might not call this interaction delightful, but they definitely appreciate the proactive, personalized service. CXP, a personal AI agent for every customer.